In today's video, let's talk about the way that you compare Perplexity AI versus Deepseek. If you're trying to figure out the differences between Perplexity and Deepseek, you're watching the right video. They both are powerful and free, but they do have their own strengths. Let's break it down in simple terms. You can think of Perplexity as your go-to for research and Deepseek as your all-in-one thinking partner. Starting off with Perplexity, its biggest standout feature is that it is built for search, is connected to the internet, and includes the sources right in the answer. So, for example, if you ask in any question that needs the latest answers, it's gonna dig into the internet and give you the latest answers. It will give you a concise summary and as well as show you the website that it got the information from. If you head over to the sources section, you can see a bunch of websites that it got its answer from. Also, if you scroll down a bit, it's going to show you related queries to the main query that you just asked. Now let's head over to Deepseek. It is a very capable AI model as well that can handle a huge range of tasks. One of the best features of Deepseek is its massive context window. So what this means is it can remember a lot from your conversations, which is great for long and detailed projects. A great use for Deepseek is complex creation or problem solving. You could ask in a question like this: I have a 5,000 word blog post. Can you read it and suggest me how to improve the structure? No matter the length of any project that you include, due to its large context window, it can give you detailed answers. This tool can also be great for coding, writing, and in general for detailed analysis. So in simple terms, you can use Perplexity when you need to look up something for quick answers as well as to know your sources. You can use Deepseek when you need to deep dive for long conversations, analyzing big documents, or just creative brainstorming. So you can try switching between them and try to see which one works the best. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.